what to wear when you're traveling. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni here, and our today's video is going to be about what to wear when you're traveling. So our video is going to be about traveling outfits, and there are so many girls out there who get confused when you're going out for traveling. You feel like, what should I wear? You're just thinking about what to wear, but your first priority is that you should feel more comfortable. Let's see what are things we can wear when we have to travel. So let's get started.
So whenever we are thinking about traveling, most of girls, we think that we should pair our outfit with a legging because it's very comfortable. So we are going to pair it up with a black crop top, black legging and a grey shrug. And if you're not comfortable in crop top, it's totally fine. You can pair it up with your black t-shirt as well. I'm just wearing a plain golden chain. And even if you have a short shrug, it's totally fine. Shrug actually gives a very different touch to the whole outfit. I'm going to pair them up with my white sneakers because we all have a pair of white sneakers. And our first outfit is ready. Let's take our travel bag. And for the second outfit, I'm going to pair it up with my dad's shirt, and I'm just going to layer this whole outfit with a sweatshirt. So this outfit is perfect when you're traveling in an AC train and you want that you should feel a little bit cozy. We have just layered it and our travel bag is ready. Our second look is ready. And for the third outfit, we are going to pair our white sneakers, black legging and white t-shirt, and I'm just going to pair it up with my brother's checks shirt. I actually like the whole touch of this outfit. It is looking so classy at the same time, and you can also pair it up with a black t-shirt. It's all up to you. And we are ready with the third look, and we also have a different way, so you can just drop your shirt and tie a knot. Fourth and the last one, airport outfit. So I've just paired it up with my loose dress, pairing it up with my black belt, ankle length boots and my jacket. If you want, you can also wear a long dress. It's all up to you. And our look is ready, and now I am going to carry my travel bag. And if you're not comfortable, you can always pair your dress with a pair of leggings or stockings. And our look is ready.
If you have enjoyed watching this video and it has been of any use, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified, because this year I'm dedicated to make daily videos to keep you inspired and to make 2021 your best year ever. For now, bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.